Hello YouTubers, and welcome to the Deals Prime Review channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing review of the Nextway F8 tablet PC. The accessories are packaged outside of the actual tablet box. So let's just start by opening this baby up. So it comes with all these goodies, starting with headphones or earbuds, 3.5mm jack, wall power supply. So if you're in the UK, Europe, Australia, you'll get a plug adapter as a free gift. USB cable, OTG cable, so you can connect a 3G modem, a keyboard case, pen drive, or USB hub to this tablet. So there's no user manual. You can check out support at apad.tv. So let's open this up. The motto of Nextway is "I do believe." So right now this only comes in silver, but in a week or so, by the time you see this video, it'll come in all these other different colors. So this is the actual unit, 8-inch IPS screen, which is the same technology that the iPad 2 uses. There's an aluminum back with dual speakers here, 1, 2, reset button, a rear web camera, which is 2 megapixels. It also has a front web camera here, which is 0.3 megapixels. That's the fine print, the logo. Now let's check out the ports. So the Nextway F8 has a USB port, DC 5V in, 3.5mm headphone jack, HDMI, mic hole. And then over here to the left of the speaker is the power button, then volume up and volume down. So let's power this on. While this is powering on, just want to remind you to like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We upload movies almost every day. If you want to check out more specs on this, or you want to know where to buy, you can check out dealsprime.com. Just about concludes this unboxing review. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will be going through the menus, the pre-installed apps, and doing some web browsing. Thanks for watching.